Nabarun, firstly, Chief Minister Congress Sangma dismissing rumours of approach by Congress ahead of 2023 polls. So, does it put to rest all speculations, Nabarun?
Yes, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma today asked about what I would term a brewing speculation, Priya, that MPCC, the Congress under the leadership of Vincent Pala, there were reports coming out, there were rumors, there were murmurs doing round, if I can say, had approached the NPP to work together for the 2023 polls. The plan was if the Congress and the the Congress and the NPP come together, then the smaller regional parties wouldn't be required to form a government. That was the idea, but these are all speculations, a brewing speculation. There were some reports doing rounds, but yes, Conrad Sangma today dismissed all of them. But what we have to note here is that, of course, Conrad Sangma has said is happy with the MDA coalition. The NPP is committed to the MDA and will complete its term. Of course, there is no doubt about it, but when asked whether the NPP would want to work with the Congress, mind you, Conrad Sangma said that the elections are still far away, not that they have had any discussion or talks with the Congress. Elections are still far away, and it did not want to comment on that. But also at the same time, if you note it from the point of view of the MDA and its partners, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma also did not completely rule out or any possibility whatsoever of working with the Congress in the 2023 polls. Now, we cannot read anything between the lines here. Let me be very clear about that. But of course, he was not completely dismissive that the NPP wouldn't work with the Congress. But having said all this, Priya, definitely for now, all the speculations that the MPCC, the Congress under the leadership of Pala had approached the NPP, at least those speculations have been put to rest. There were a lot of also speculations going around the Congress camp that as we already know, there has been a lot of talks between division between two senior Congress leaders, Mukul Sangma and Vincent Pala in Meghalaya since the time Vincent Pala took over as the MPCC chief. And Pala's move, as speculations and reports state, was also seen as another attempt to sideline Mukul. But mind you, Vincent Pala himself, speaking to Northeast Live, has made it clear on at least two occasions that he wants the Congress to be a united house. He wants all the Congress leaders to work together. Of course, Mukul Sangma has in a way indirectly stated that yes, there are some grievances as far as the Congress in Meghalaya is concerned, and he will raise it in appropriate forum. So yes, there are speculations and counter speculations, but yes, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma making it very clear, no approach from the Congress whatsoever as of now.
Well, Nabarun, Congrad Sangma has also backed the cops, lauded the state intel when asked about insurgent movements in state. So what signal does it send?
Well, there are two things in it, Priya. First of all, when asked about insurgent movements in the state, he backed the cops, the state, the intelligence department. The opposition Congress has been trying to corner the NPP-led government in the state over what they called a bid to revive insurgency in the state. So yes, Conrad Sangma would back the police, would back the intel. That gives credit to his government's efforts taken by his government to ensure that there is no revival of insurgency in the state. So clearly he is saying yes, there have been insurgent movements, no denying to it, but equally at the same time, the state police, the intelligence has been able to track those movements, have been able to keep things under control. He also made a mention of a couple of incidents where the state police took preemptive action to ensure that nothing unforeseen or unfortunate happened. Now, coming to the second part of it, he also backed, once again reacting to a query, continuation of Lakshman Rimboy as the state home minister. Indirectly, he also is backing the cops, mind you, at a time when there is a huge demand, rising demand, protests around, especially by the voice of people of Molai. A lot of pressure groups have lent support to that demand of suspension of two senior cops, two SP level cops, plus a lot of pressure on the government to take action against cops. Conrad Sangma once again has taken a stand to go all out to back the Meghalaya police, saying that continuity is a must as far as the Home Department is concerned. That once again sends a very strong signal that the government stands strong behind the state police force.